Hello guys! B-33 dust cover review. I will tell you about its characteristics, how to install it on rifle, how to reassemble the recoil mechanism. My name is Anastasia. B-33 dust cover is designed for AKM, AK-74, 74M, 100 series of AK, Saiga MK. It is installed on handguards designed by Zenitco, such as B10M, B10U, B10L, B30, B30U, as well as Sport 1 and Sport 4 kits. It is made in two colors, black and desert. Let's look at what is inside the kit. B-33 is made of aluminium D16T. It is a milled product. Also, it has one steel part right here. I will speak about it a bit later. Besides the rail itself and the manual, the kit includes guides of the recoil mechanism. When we install B-33 on rifle, we take the regular spring from the regular recoil mechanism and replace the guides to our guides. I will show you how to do that. Also, the kit includes 4 screws, M5 to 9. They are designed for installation of B-33 on B30 and B10M handguards, for installation of B-33 on handguards of U and Sport lines, such as B10U, B30U, B10L, and Sport 1 and Sport 4 kits. We use shorter screws, M5 to 7. They are included into the kits of those handguards. Let's also weight the rail. (207 grams). The design of B-33 is based on an idea of a triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid has 4 apexes. In case of B-33, that are mounting positions: 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth one is the steel part. The elimination of wobble is carried out by the recoil mechanism. As I've told you earlier, we take the regular recoil mechanism and we replace the guides to our guides, and our guides in this part has a conical shape that pushes the rail down every time. So every time when we close the dust cover, it goes down, and with every heat of the bolt carrier, it is pushed down to the very same point. That's why this rail is so reliable. It is also based to the handguard in its front part, and our Zenitco made handguards, they fit the rifle very tight because we hammer them into the rifle. They take the shape of your exact rifle. That's why it is also very reliable structure. And on the top it is fixed by a steel part. How to install B-33 on the rifle? I will now take B-33 from this rifle and show you from the very beginning. Done. The first thing to do is to unscrew this screw and take off the steel part. Next, open this lever and turn up the sight. Put B-33 on the handguard, like this. Now you need to bait 4 screws. Do not screw them all at full length, just bait a little bit. Now I need to install the steel part. Look at it a bit closer. In its front part, it is a bit lowered. This part goes inside the rifle. Position it under B-33. Take a small screw, bait it. It should not go with power. It is very easy to screw it in. And tighten it. Done. Now you can tighten all other screws. Close the lever, put down the sight. The only thing left is to reassemble the regular recoil mechanism. You can surely do it with your hands, but I will use the vise, so it will be easier for me. Also, I wear white. I do not want to get dirty. I got to the vise. I have regular recoil mechanism and guides from the kit of B-33, and I need to replace regular guides and leave the regular spring. For that I fix the mechanism in the vise by this part, because it is stronger and I do not want to bend it and ruin it. Next, I take some sort of rag in order not to get dirty and squeeze the spring. I do like this, so that two guides form a shape of letter T. Take off the retainer, we will need it a little bit later, and now I remove the guides. Done. That was the first part. Now I need to put the spring on our guides. I also fix the rear part in the vise by this stronger part. Next, I put a spring on the guide, and now the most difficult part, I need to squeeze it and put the guides inside. I believe that most of our subscribers are physically stronger than me, so you won't have any problems with this part. Now I put on the retainer and done. The only thing left is to assemble the rifle. Done. Very easy. The installation of B-33 is finished. You can order B-33 and other products made by Zenitco on our website en.zenitco.ru, as well as in partner stores. The list of official partners is stated on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. and I will see you in next videos. Goodbye!